Today's specialist traffic rules. Some important objective questions on traffic or transportation rules. These questions are important for AOM exams, section controller exam, SM exams, guard exams, etc. Viewers may join us on Telegram application for live test. We are conducting daily live test on various subjects like transportation, commercial, finance. So you can join us on Telegram. Link mentioned in description box below. So today's first question. Train passing register or books or forms are required to be preserved by dash years. Up to which period it should be preserved? The answer is 1 year. Train passing register or books or forms should be preserved for 1 year. Next question. Responsibility of a station master. Responsibility of a station master for the efficient charge of duty is mentioned in the correct answer is GR or General Rule number 5.01. Responsibility of SM for the efficient. Next question. Caution order register or books are required to be preserved for the period of. Caution order register or books. The correct answer is it should be preserved for the period of 1 year. 1 year. Next question. Vehicle code for bogie inspection car administrative is. What is the vehicle code for bogie inspection car administrative is? The correct answer is RA. If you watch all my videos, you can see that this is the repeated question. Question I repeat here. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also click on notification icons so that you can get notification immediately. If reading is important, revision is most important. Next question. The RORO scheme was first introduced in. RORO scheme is a roll on, roll off. Our railway starting loading the truck. So roll on. Truck when coming on wagons it is roll on, and when they are so roll on RORO system was started in Konkan Railway first. Introduced in Konkan Railway first. Next question. As per section 71 of Railway Act 1989, preferential order for military traffic is. Section 71 deals the preferential order, schedule of preferential order, SOP. So for military traffic the priority is priority A. There are 4 priorities, so this is coming on in priority A. Next question. Who is the head of Central Control Office? Who is the head of Central Control Office? The correct answer is Chief Controller. Chief Controller is the head of the Central Control Office. Next question. Efficient engine utilization. Efficient engine utilization is to be ensured by. Efficient engine utilization is to be ensured by whom? Engine utilization. The correct answer is power controller. Power controller ensuring the efficient engine utilization. Next question. The statistical formula is generally used to calculate WTR is. WTR means wagon turnaround. Wagon turnaround. What is the statistical formula? This is the very important question. The correct answer is T. T means wagon turnaround. T is equals to S by L plus R. S divided by L plus R. Next question. Wagon census on broad gauge is generally conducted on. Wagon census on broad gauge is generally conducted on. The correct answer is 31st October. 31st October wagon census. Next question. Safety categorization will be based on the work performance of. Safety categorization will be based on the work performance of. The correct answer is on the work performance of last 6 months. On the work performance of last 6 months. Kindly like. Next question. As per safety categorization, operating staff can be categorized into. As per safety categorization, operating staff can be categorized into. The correct answer is 4 category or 4 classes. So operating staffs are classified into 4 classes. Next question. Safety categorization of Group D staff will be done by. Safety categorization of Group D staff will be done by. The correct answer is station master. Safety categorization of Group D staff will be done by station master. Hope you like my videos or my questions.